Welcome to Ecuador. Here on the finca. Thought I'd give you a little tour. Alright, so behind me we have the maracuya, or passion fruit, to the gringos in English. So what you do is you look around, scour the ground, look, oh, okay, I don't know if you can see it down here. Oh, fresh fucking maracuya. So what do you do next? Follow me and I'll show you. Alright, so what do? See if you can see that. You smash it. Can you see? You smash it. Can you see? Look. Mr. Stick's a little frustrated today. Or maybe. Okay. Got it. Super easy. So what you do next is you open that fucker up. Dig in there. See that? That's fresh fucking maracuya blood dripping out of there. Balanced breakfast. Booyah! Oh. Okay. That wasn't a maracuya, but as you can see, if it was, that's how you open it. Alright, I'm in the banana forest, chilling with some nanners. Verde, green nanners. As you can see, these are green bananas, which means that they're not ready to eat yet. So follow me deeper and I'll show you some better bananas. All right, so we're deep now, deep in the jungle, deep in the banana. As you can see up above me, maybe, where are they? Look at those fucking nanners. Look at those fucking, where are they? Where are they? Where are they? They're up there, see them? In order to get them down, there's only one thing you gotta do. It's my favorite part of the day. All right, got my orange handled machete. Up here we got some bananas growing up top. And guess what? I'm hungry. So, what you do is you take your goddamn fucking sweet machete. You chop this bitch down! Down! First thing, you gotta clear the leaves. Tree's ready. Are you? Check that shit out! So check this shit out. Got some bananas. Yeah, they're green, but there weren't any yellow ones, so we got green ones. So here on the farm, we got some dinosaurs. Bet you weren't expecting that. And what they do is they make a lot of fucking noise. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Showing you some banana action. Showing you where we grow some of our maracuya things. All right. Let me show you what life is all about. Boom! Boom! This is a 2000 something Daytona 250. Bull that shit. Bull 250, motherfucker. Right there, those are 28s. 28 centimeters. Fucking dank. Check this shit out. Look, look, look. See these spokes? Spokes! Bet you ain't never seen one of these before. Boom! Back tire! Back tire! Damn! Yo, see that? See that? See that? All that dirt? That's fucking dirt! Fucking dirt! Fucking dirt!
Fucking dirt! Legit.
This beautiful hog right here? How can I afford such a thing? Psh, I got my ways. So we also got some other stuff on the farm. Check it out. Papaya houses, old wood, Christmas decoration, doors, holes, pumpkins, horses. I don't know. Boots. Dogs on tables. Trees. Cats. Neckties. Puppies. Cows. So that's it. What do you think? What do you think, huh? Check you
Later.